Good morning, students. Today going to discuss about plant and animal cell comparison. So why do the plant cells differ from the animal cells? They differ from each other because they have to perform different functions. Now you know that there are many main similarity between the plant and the animal cells. Let us see how they differ from one another as given the picture. Okay, you know that already you are studied in 6th standard, right? Okay, now you go to that. Human cells are related to functions, different types of the cells. Our body is made up of many different kinds of the cells. Each type of the cells are specialized to perform the specific function. Depending on the functions, cell has the specific shape, size, and they have some component with other type of cells do not have. Have a look at the difference between the nerve cell and red blood cells in images. So last class we saw the cell. Okay. So next there are the some components common to all types of cells. Okay. So you see that what is inside a cell? Cell we are studying. What is cell? Cell inside what are there? You see that there are many tiny structure called the cell organelle. Inside a cell there are many tiny structures called the cell organelles. These organelles are responsible for providing needs the cells. These organelles are responsible for the providing needs of the cells. They work to bring the food supplies, get rid of the waste, production and repair of the cells and help it to grow and reproduce. Repair of the cells means you are going to the accidents, you are crash your bones and your muscles means immediately it's a few days after you are the muscles also the same only, right? It is a growing of that area muscles. Okay, that is the repair of the cells and help it to grow and reproduce also. Each one has the specific function for cells, and if any one organelle stops in the function, then the cell is programmed to die. One organelle is not working means that the cell is died. The cell is died. You see, next discuss about the cell structure. Okay, as we have mentioned before, all cells have some common structure. The plant cell and animal cell is a common some of the structure. Okay, so these are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay, the structure of the typical plant and animal cell. Okay, it's a common only. Okay, next is cell membrane. Cell membrane means it's a boundary of the structure. Cell membrane is a boundary of the structure. Boundary of the structure in the animal cell is the plasma membrane, which also called as the cell membrane. The plasma membrane also called the cell membrane. Okay, cell walls. Next one, cell wall. Supporter and protector. Cell wall means another one. Cell wall working. Cell wall what doing means it is a supporter. Inside what are there? Organelles. That is, the cell wall is a support that organelle. Next, protector. It's a protector means the cell wall inside the some of the organs it's not going to the outside. It's a protect. Some other unwanted cells it's not going to inside. So that also it's a protect the cell wall. Okay, it's not allowed to the cell wall. Okay, so next you the cell. You see that the plant cells have a additional layer on the outer side of the cell membrane. Okay, the plant cells have the additional layer on the outer cell. So outer side also a cell membrane. This is called the cell wall. That is called the cell wall. That provide the framework framework support and stability. The framework is a support of the stability in the plant. Okay, the cell wall is formed for the various compound. The main one beginning the cellulose. Cellulose helps to maintaining the shape of the plant cell. Okay, it's allow the plant it's remain the rigid and upright even if the growth to great heights. Okay, next you see that plant cell and animal cell. You see the cell wall. This is the cell wall. Cell wall. This is the cell wall. What doing the cell wall? The outermost covering of the plant cell. So outermost covering of the plant cell. It maintaining the shape and protect the cell. Inside of the having more cell organelle, that is a protect. Okay. So next chloroplast. The chloroplast is the organelle characterized by its two membrane and a high concentration of the chlorophyll and carry out the photosynthesis. So the plant it's having to the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is not having means it's not it is not making to the own food through the photosynthesis. Okay. So it's a very important of the chlorophyll. That is a green pigments. That is a green pigments are very important to one of the plant cell. Okay. So next a large vacuole filled with both inorganic and organic molecules along with the water to support the organelles. So along with the water support to the organelles. So water is here needed to the plant. Okay. So next you see that animal cell. Centriole. You see the centriole. This is the centriole. You see the here having to that centriole. This is the animal cell. This is centriole. This is a mitochondria. This is a plasma, centriole, this and all. Okay, you see that centriole is a pair of minute cylindrical. You see the minute cylindrical, pair of minute cylindrical involved in the development of the spindle fibers in the cell division. It is divided to the cells. So small vacuole. This is a small vacuole filled with the both inorganic and organic molecules along with the water to support the organelle. Okay. So next one. This and also both having that. You see that nucleus, ribosome, Golgi body, mitochondria, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. You see that the nucleus is the control center of the cell. The nucleus is here control the center of the cell. You see that the animal cell it is here. What is that? This is the nucleus in the animal cell. So you see this is the nucleus. This is the plant cell. Okay, it's a very important. So control of the cell. Okay, the largest organelle. This is the largest organelle. So next you see a Golgi body. Golgi body is a complex of the vessels and flooded the membrane involve the secretion and the intercellular transport. It's a intercellular transport. Okay. So next one ribosome. Ribosome is a minute particle consists of the RNA. They systemize the polypeptides and proteins. So providing to the proteins. Next one cytoplasm. Cytoplasm including the all living parts of the cell within the cell membrane but excluding the nucleus. It's a protect to the cell membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the endoplasmic reticulum that while here also having to the endoplasmic reticulum. The network of the membranes, tubulars and it's involved in the protein and the lipids in the cells. Mitochondria, the mitochondria another one name is a power cell, power of cell. Okay, so the mitochondria, the organelles, they make a most of the cell supply of the adenosines, theraphoids, ATP. The molecules that the cells use the source of energy, the main job to the convert energy. It's here supply to the high energy. Okay, next you see that cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm, I am the area of the movement. Cytoplasm is a area of the movement. Okay. So you see that cytoplasm. The cytoplasm include all living parts of the cell. That's within the cell membrane, excluding the nucleus also, right? The cytoplasm is made up of the cytosol and the cell organelle. So the cytoplasm is made up of the cytosol and the cell organelles. The cytosol is a watery jelly like the medium made up of the 70 to 90% water and usually colorless. So the cytosol is a water. Out of that means the water are like that jelly shape only having. So it is having to the water range, the water of range 70% to 90%. Okay. Cell organelle and structure present in a cell are the endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, ribosomes, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, centriole, chloroplast surrounded by the plasma membrane and the cell wall. Plasma membrane, the surrounding that these organelles. So next one we see that protoplasm with cytoplasm. The particular material inside and outside nuclear membrane is known as protoplasm. So some of the cells outer and inside and outside having to the some of the membranes, the nuclear membranes that is called the protoplasm. The fluid inside, the fluid inside the nucleus is known as the nuclear fluid. Outside nucleus fluid are the nucleoplasm. So outside the nucleus are cytoplasm. Okay. So next is cytoplasm. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is another one name as of powerhouse. Why we are called the powerhouse means it is giving to the more energy. Mitochondria is giving to the more energy. You see the very active cell have the more mitochondria. Then the cells are the less active. Which the type of the cell do you think? Next, mitochondria is the oval or shape. You see that this is the mitochondria. It's a oval in shape and a rod shape, double membrane. So you see the double membranes bounded the organelle. Aerobic respiration reaction take place within the mitochondria to release energy. The aerobic respiration. So it is here released through the high energy. Okay. So it is called to the powerhouse. The energy produced within the mitochondria is used for the all metabolic activity of the cell. All metabolic, it's a produced to all organelles. So it's a metabolic activities of the cells. Next one is a chloroplast. The chloroplast is a what we are telling that food producer. So you see that food producer. The green organelle present in the plant cell and absent in the animal cells, right? The green chloroplast is only in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. The chloroplast are the only cell organelle that can be produced food from the sun energy. Can produce the food. The chloroplast produce the food from the sun energy through the photosynthesis. The chloroplasts are able to the photosynthesis because they contain the very important green pigments chlorophyll. The chlorophyll can absorb the radiant energy from the sun and convert the chemical energy which can be used to the plants and animals. Cells lack chloroplasts or the unable to the photosynthesis. Okay, next one. Golgi complex. I need a break. The membrane bound sacs are the stacked on top of the other with associated secretory vesicles or the collectively known as the Golgi complex. The function of the Golgi complex or the production of secreted the substance, packing the secretions, this and all. Okay, this is the secret behind the change in the color and the taste of the fruits. Lysosome, suicidal bag. Everything I touch, I destroyed. I touch means I destroyed. So you see that it's a very small organ. Okay, using the light microscope. They are the main digestive compartment of the cell. So suicidal bag is here. It's a digestive compartment. cell. The lies a cell. The cells another name is a lice cell. They are called the suicidal bag. Centriole are generally found close to the nucleus and are made up of the tube-like structure. The tube-like structure. Centrioles are centrosomes are the present one in the animal cell and are absent in the plant cells. It helps in the separation of the chromosome during all division. So endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, next you see the endoplasm reticulum. They enter membranes network made up of the flat or tubular sac. Within the cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum is two types. They are rough endoplasmic and reticulum smooth endoplasm. You see the rough endoplasm or the rough due to the ribosome attached to the membrane with the help of the synthesis of protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network tubular sacs without ribosomes on the membrane. They play role the synthesis of lipids, steroids and also transport within the cells. Okay, next one, the nucleus. So nucleus is a brain of the cells. Another name is a nucleus brain. Another name is a brain of the cells. The plant and animal cells of the nucleus in the cytoplasm surrounded by the nuclear envelope. One or two nucleus and the chromatin body are present inside the nucleus during the cell divisions. It's a doing to the nucleus is a what doing, that is cell division. The chromatin body is organized into the chromosome, storage of the genetic material and transfer the heredity characters from the generation to generation are the function of chromosomes. The function of the nucleus. It control all the process and the chemical reaction and take the place inside the cell. Inheritance of the character from the one generation to the another generation. The cytoplasm. Thank you, ma. Finish this lesson. Okay. Thank you.